How we doing this morning? Okay. A little louder than usual. Ugh. IBKR. Idiot. I put the E in the same fucking place. Hmm. What the fuck is it? Oh, damn it. Oh, whatever. Good morning. SPY is just trying to eliminate its gap. Come to talk with. What's going on, AJ? What's up, Vincenzo? Is Mr. Buff trading today? Yeah, he's here. I'm actually at a plateau at the moment. I'm stuck at 211 for like 3 or 4 days. I'm getting kind of frustrated. Gonna be Mr. Clean if he keeps wearing that every day. Hmm. Hour and 40 minutes in the gym yesterday. Damn, son. I don't even have an hour and 40 minutes to myself any given day. Look, everybody. H. Kuno, what's up? Good luck, everybody. Is Charlie off today? Just, yeah, just two B's. CP, CPNG, yeah, that already came all the way back down. Yeah. I just typed in a new ticker. That's not that one, and it's not loading. So my theory still stands with it's just DOS regardless of the ticker. And it's like they can't handle the volatility. I know, and that's the sad part. FSLR is more expensive. The law, thanks for the sub, man. Looney, what's up, man? Morning. What's up, Addedly? Morning. And these charts loading are brutal. Yeah. Watching a firm as well. Yeah. See that through 25. Just ran into a double top and said, I'm good. Then a firm went right back up. I'm right back down. If I was still long plug from the other day, I'd be making money right now, huh? Actually, I don't think that's the case. I think I was up near 30. Wasn't it up there? I think it was it. Yeah. So it's a Steve play. Later, Vincenzo. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks. Phase and BBBY. BBBY, I think we do not. Phase, we do not either. I never even looked at phase. They were talking about it earlier. Oh yeah, nice move there. What's the ticker? Volume's pretty bad. It's something I'd have to watch the shares out of the halt, see what happens. I have a hunch Thomas is in that one, so just careful. Well, I didn't know how much he was in it. I just had a feeling he was in it, that's all. I been watching this EBY, but yeah, I want like more of a pop out of it. It just feels grindy. Yeah. Everything looks like crap. One minute for VRAX. I don't really know what I want to do with that. That's kind of an odd one. Yeah, 129. Well, I know. That's what I said. It halted on less than 200,000 shares. So the odds are they're going to run out quick. There's nothing else to look at, so I might as well watch it. Ten seconds. Yeah. A lot more volume. For now. What was the float on this? Do we know? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, shares actually held up fairly well. Guess you would have had to kind of play that first pop up there. I would have been probably wanting the pop through 450 anyway. It happened so fast. Here you go, Thomas. Plug. Damn, plug just said, fuck you, I'm out of here. Yeah, the pop through 30 is what I was looking for as well. That gap fill on VRAX. That one feels like it's going to give the whole move back. Yeah, this one's weird, man. The BBY. Something tickling my nose. 17K on phase. Yeah. It looked like something he'd be in. Spies red. You long? Oh, I guess you have to be. Yeah, there's Alt's at 477. SPY is getting smashed. For under 402. Yeah, 401.20 area. Apparently, Pluggy just got to sell at 30 and buy at 29.60. You're good to go. Yeah, up, down, up, down, up, down. SPY is bouncing. Plug 29.60 back up to 30. Oh, it's hilarious. And it's all in like 2-minute candles. It's crazy. Me and Jack be watching the same tickers today. It's weird. Kind of scared. No, VNet's actually, if it could go, volume sucks. The SPY tried to go back up, but it said, nah, I like it better down here. What's up, Ghetto IQ? I'll take this chance to let everyone on Twitch know that I am slowly working my way back over to YouTube. I'm live there now. But I will be shutting down here on Twitch. I'm debating on if it's going to be at the end of the month or if I'm going to stick it out a little bit longer. I'm not exactly sure yet. But there's a link to my current live stream on YouTube if you want to go over there and subscribe and you know, get it all set up so that you can see when I go live there. Know what? Sweet. Thank you, Ghetto. Appreciate that. What, Looney? No volume? No volume what? I have no volume? What are you talking about?
Try to short it.
This whole time you guys had no music and you couldn't hear Discord this whole time?
But I will miss it because it has to get
You're just
through
now
it and
saying
come back
something?
to it. So I mean,
Yeah,
I'm not
wasn't
gonna
it quiet for you guys? Do you
buy
like it quiet?
flying through. About to do it, dude.
Come on, Ross
I didn't
Jr.
even notice that was down. I
Put your
forgot I
hands
clicked
on
that
it
button
and
when I was
fucking
recording
get
my
ready.
video yesterday.
Dude, I haven't had a man bun in
Coming up.
about 8 years.
In around 7 minutes.
Back when I had
CB
hair, I didn't
consumer
have a man
confidence
bun.
for August, expecting 97.9, and also at 10 o'clock
Oof, I'm really
the
hungry.
JOLTS job openings for July,
Thought about taking
expecting
it there, but couldn't do it.
10.475 million.
Very quiet.
I'm in this freaking PDD and it is not cooperating either.
You
Oh,
want-
on
I got a little
YouTube.
bit.
want long
I
on
see
that?
it there now. Can't
No
hear the
shorting.
peanuts. Got it.
No, it is cooperating. Just did not do what I wanted to do, so I didn't get an ad, so I'm in small. Let's see if it can go through the 6473. Alright, I'm taking it all out for a second. CCJ did come down more.
Did.
Spy gonna
All
break the
green
lows.
I threw that. I didn't draw the line out, but you kind of want to make it now. I think through 4, or really it's 494 cents. We definitely get a nice little push down.
NTNX.
Do I want to look at that, Jay?
You could.
It's not convincing.
NTNX up.
You might.
I was gonna hit it at 70, but I didn't.
Yeah, me too.
I pulled it up too slow.
Miss.
It'll
U.S.
go-
crude futures
I don't think I
continuing
would've taken
lower
it, but-
this
Was that on
morning,
the scanner? I didn't even
down
see it.
4.5% below the
Yeah.
$3
Got there around
level.
like
I
12.
literally can't take that. My rules stay new.
Should have just hit
BBY
it.
YOLO.
I was going to, but I didn't.
I don't know how you guys trade those under a million shares traded stocks. I can't even think about it.
I don't even
I
look
don't
at
even
that.
see some that dropping straight down.
It's got volume. I assume that momentum keeps going. If it doesn't have volume, I assume there is no way to predict where it goes. Volume
Yeah,
is
but
what I
that's
need.
why you look at how fast it got to where it went. That's
What,
kind of the whole point of it.
TNX?
Yeah.
I
It
just,
just-
I just don't trade things with low volume. I just
The
don't do
way that this traded, it traded way better than things yesterday that were trading that had 5 million volume.
that.
Like
I
this
didn't
actually
see that
moved
up either.
fast. Yeah, I mean
didn't
when I
see
pulled
that
it up,
up
it was nice. It had a jiggle right there at 70. I had just pulled it up and I was like, do I hit it? And I just didn't.
I think me and Thomas
drop.
got the chart up at about the same time, and it was already coming down.
Yeah, I pulled it up like as it was like literally a second before it dropped.
Yeah. and so
Now-
that's
now
why
the
I
reason-
can't see.
I'll say now the reason Jag didn't trade it, I don't know.
because I was 1872. It didn't fill me. That's why I didn't trade it.
Well,
It
then
goes
the
up and down.
stock hates you.
Yeah.
No volume. It's harder to get filled when there's no volume. True story though.
All right, it's only 200 shy of $1 million. So
And now we're
ready to
getting it was 500,000 when it was at the top. I mean, when I pulled it out,
I just
and
don't
it had that red
understand what's the difference of
I
it
was
trading
500K.
like 200K candles at 500,000 versus at $1 million. Like what's who cares?
No,
Like
I
if it's
suppose I can
making the
see
move.
that. I just have
Yeah.
a rule in my head that if it doesn't have $1 million, I really don't want to play it because I don't know where it's going to go. I don't know that volume, the volume might not have come in yet. More volume might come in. It might jump up $2 more. I don't know. I have no way to say what it's going to do unless it's proven that it's doing something.
But you do know if it's over $1 million.
Well, I think once there's a trend formed, yeah, I can start to form an opinion. If there's no
Gotcha.
trend, I can't form an opinion. I'm a trend trader. You're not. We trade very different that way. You were 100% not a trend trader. You were an
But
anti-trend trader.
You were talking about our strategy though, not
PXMD,
yours.
Pax Medica shares
Yeah,
resuming
I can't
trade
take it.
and
That's
moving
Devin.
lower,
I know.
Yeah, I wasn't saying
Tim.
for your
pulling
strategy.
down from those
I'm saying
No,
highs
I-
earlier.
So
wasn't
up
I'm
saying
not.
42%.
I said
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can't take it.
I'm not trying to be a dick, but like how you're defending your strategy, where you say I have a good idea of where it's going if it has over $1 million shares. I'm basically telling you for ours, it doesn't really matter.
Well, and that's cool. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
and that's what I was asking. And that's what I was
Yeah.
trying to say. Like, I don't know how you guys do that because for me, I can't formulate an opinion yet.
Gotcha.
But see, you just added something to me when I look for yours, when I see your setup. That's something I normally don't look at to say, hey, Devin, look at this. You know, I normally don't look at the volume, see if it's had 1 million traded already.
Well, normally when you do call them out, they have because they're normally stocks that are moving pretty quick, you know?
Yeah, or they're later in the day. I usually don't
Or they're
call
later in
first.
the day.
Yeah, I'm usually
Yeah.
not calling your trades first thing at the bell.
Instant foo.
Yeah, for sure. And the only time you'll ever see me trade close to the bell is
LOL.
a stock that has over 1 million traded pre-market. It's the only time you'll see me take a trade early.
Run is starting to go a little bit. Needs more.
Are you in?
I'm not in run now. Plugs back up.
Yeah, I'm not putting down your strat, Tim. I think you take it that way sometimes. I'm saying for me, I can't do it.
No, I didn't take it that way at all. I just wanted you to
Oh, okay.
understand that when we see a move, like in the moment, if it has volume coming in and it's making that fast move that we like, I could care less how much volume it has on the
get it.
day. That's all.
Yeah, I get it. You just need to have volume in in those candles.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, plug should be setting off your alarm.
It triggered. While you said, "Hey," I was hearing. Pew, pew, pew. You guys miss hearing that?
PORX SC Works announcing renewal of
over and over
significant
again.
expansion contract. CB consumer confidence
Ever since I got my
103.2
headset, and you
versus
don't hear it anymore.
97.9. Bolt's job opening 11.239 million versus 10.475 million.
So you were thinking it had room to like 3180-ish?
Yeah, back to the previous highs of 2 days ago.
BBY dollar.
What was that? 32-ish, I guess. I don't really have fib lines or anything drawn out on this. It's just kind of, hey, it's back over this area. That's kind of interesting. That's it.
Okay.
I am now going to draw fib lines on it and try to see if it does something interesting.
Run's going crazy too.
What is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good luck. I guess keep me up.
This doesn't have any pullback. It just goes without me for now. If it jumps to 30.90, I'd probably be interested in a short.
Order filled.
Works halted.
Yeah, run and This look very similar.
I'm in run.
These are super difficult trades for me.
BRAXMO dollar.
Yeah.
Long or short.
Plug nibble.
You're out already?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to pop up through that.
Love you.
Huh.
Should have stayed.
Order
I
filled.
knew that was coming next.
Well, I
Dollar.
knew it probably was going to go down, but I didn't want to risk it.
Hoo at Tim.
You got a little unplugged, Tim?
Yeah, just a nibble. I was hoping it would go up further. It's pretty
Yeah,
straight up move though.
Yeah, I was waiting for a little bit more.
I was ready to add to it if I had to, if it kept going though. I liked it up through the $50, just anywhere above it.
With you starting out small, you want them. Don't want to be right on that first little nibble.
No, no. The whole point of
do you? 'Cause
taking
then
the
you're never gonna
nibble.
make money.
Well, yeah, the whole point of taking the nibble is just in case it just works right there. So then you at least get something.
Yeah. So I mean, if
But you're
something keeps
gonna-
running, you're like, you thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, because at that point I was like, I like this over 50 because I have a really good feeling it's going to come back down below 50 at some point. So if it wants to keep going higher, if I can get my average and more shares higher, awesome. But if for some reason it stops here at 50, I'll at least have a little something and I can...
I went
Make
the
a
other
little
way
something.
unplugged, but
No, I'm already out, so you're fine. I'd be wanting higher at this point.
SO, Southern Company partners with General Services Administration.
Watching run as well.
Sandy Oscar SO.
Yeah, it goes back to what we did the other day,
Still
trading
up.
the same
Run
fucking
up as
ticker
well.
on two different tickers.
Wait, is
Yeah.
plug and run together?
yeah, same thing.
Yes,
Oh,
they're the same.
Wait, is this the same ones I trade? Oh no, that's not.
Same ones, dude. I think they're the same ones.
No, because
SP,
plug's the one I tried
WR,
long.
BBY out all.
What was it?
B slash E overall
SPWR. It has less volume though.
This might make my day. Let's go to 3090.
SPW. Okay, I was like, it's not loading. There it goes. There it goes. I like runs chart the best.
Can't finish his move, man, because the market sucks.
Trying to remember what. Oh, it was the solar power or charge point, CHPT, and
Yeah,
that
something
was
else.
it.
Yeah.
What was the other one? The other one's the one I lost on. Is it
VRAXLNT.
Was it run? or something?
CCJ?
Did you get some of that, Jag?
What?
Run or plug?
I got a little bit of. Not just now. Oh, not
Yeah,
now.
yeah, before you did. I was wondering if
Yeah,
anybody got it.
Ooh, SPY 400.
5.
SPY just took a nasty dive. 400.7. Yeah, plug. I should have assumed that it was just going to go to a high and it's just going to probably go back and forth now. Look at the candles on plug. It literally, like, every candle is just back and forth. Yeah, run would have been nice. I should have started that one, to be honest. I just didn't like how it went all the way down to previous resistance and all the way up. I was hoping for 35.
Works 34K.
I'm all out of that plug. That was not what I wanted, but ended up being okay.
Yeah, I liked where it got up to the 80s, almost 80s, but I wanted a little more. I didn't like the way it pulled back, so I wanted more.
Yeah. I mean, I think I take that first trade on run had I had it up, that 34.63 test. But I didn't even have it up. Because that's essentially the same trade I took on plug, but this one on run actually looks even better.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's sticking it to us. I
can't
think
look.
the SPY is gonna touch 400 today. When I woke up this morning and saw it gapping up at 406, there was not a chance I thought this was gonna happen, but here we are.
Ooh, just fell to my level.
Are you thinking a scoop on run there, Jack?
Taking
No.
a scoop on the SPY. Holy crap! Look at this thing.
Bro, once it hits 400, I'm just not even gonna say.
I don't-
I told you so.
It
Just
was.
know that I'm thinking it and feeling it in every ounce of my body. I actually
What
already feel it because 09 is close enough.
Bro, yesterday when we were at 401, I could already sense that you felt that way. It's okay. It's who you are.
Okay. Okay.
Although we went to 407
Well, honestly,
cents.
dude, this morning though, I was thinking when it was popping that I really don't want it to go down. But here we
Yeah.
are.
There's also 10 o'clock news.
For my sake, I would rather it go up because I think I do better when the stock
What
is
was the
when
news?
it's moving up.
Consumer confidence and job openings.
Of course, there's job
Consumer
openings.
confidence at an all-time low.
I'm gonna laugh horrendously hard if for some stupid reason this bounced off $400.07 and doesn't go back down and touch 400, and somehow we eventually get to 420. How hard I will laugh is undescribable. Undescribable. Like I don't even think I can assume how loud I would laugh. I would probably fly to Vegas, jump the gate, knock on your door, and just laugh in your face like
He won't be
so
there.
hard.
He won't be there.
I wouldn't. It wouldn't be today. Obviously, there's no way it's going to 420 today.
YouTuber gets arrested jumping fence.
YouTuber gets shot by man's brother-in-law who happened to be staying at his house.
Happens to be a cop.
It would be like one of them Brazil stories. Off-duty cop uses service weapon to stop threat after YouTuber jumps fence in attempt at a prank. It's just a prank, bro. Nah, I can't really see how this doesn't touch 400. It's too close.
And I'm back. What a mess.
Stop acting like you left.
I went to get a protein bar and say goodbye to the family.
I'm kind of glad you did, because I don't feel like hearing you respond to what I just said.
Some crap.
No, it's just, we were being funny. We're attempting to be funny. I don't think I was actually funny, but...
I think that was funny yesterday.
What, saying I wasn't funny?
No. The 400, 420 debate.
Oh. So run and plug are kind of, like, run's making a bigger move down now.
I don't get why they're moving up. Good lord.
TATT, TAT Technologies.
It was run, by the way. Run was the
reporting
other ticker.
Q2
LQDA
results.
halted. Scoop potential.
So charge point, I guess, kind of was not at all moving with it today. But they were moving together that day. It's so funny how that works. LQDA,
NTNX got
huge
whack
halt down.
attacked.
Yeah, look at LQDA. I got whacked.
Yes, it did.
PDD is just steadily getting whacked.
Here it comes.
Another 400.
Yeah.
I
Question
saw
is-
short it right now, but
What does it
Well,
do?
I was gonna say the question is, are they gonna let it go through and soak up some
I think
liquidity
it goes
for a decent
below,
bounce?
maybe hits I think it maybe hit
That's
70,
what,
like
what I'm worried about.
399.70 or so.
I think it goes under and then all the way back up to 401 something, and then it'll come back down. That'd be my guess. I mean, it hasn't bounced at all for a little while.
Look at them trying to hold that 400 though, man.
Pretty big number. Break back through.
Mm-hmm. It's a big number on SPY and futures.
Trades by Matt guy tried long in this. Up around like 404, 403. He stopped out down like 2,300 bucks.
That was dumb.
He actually got a bounce right to break even the first time, and then the second time he was green for a little bit, but then he let it go all the way back against him.
The way it was moving, you could just tell it was going to pull back a little bit and then just keep going. Anyway.
If it stops at 401 cent, that's funny.
So
No,
LQDA,
404 cents, I think, right?
the news is Liquidia is moving down on news that Judge Andrews has denied Liquidia's stay request.
No, SPY went to 401.
Whatever
crazy.
that means. So I was gonna laugh when it was at 400.909. Now, can you
Went to
imagine?
0.1. Now watch
Could
it
you
go.
could you imagine?
Now that I consider it hit my target, but you know that's why I
Bro.
trade too.
400.01 is not 400.00.
Word to your mother. You're the one that likes to trade to the cent, and that's why you never get filled. I trade normal, and I make money.
It's actually not. It's actually not true at all. I don't,
So
dude.
take
I
that,
don't
take
try.
that, take that.
I do
Oh,
not
it was 1
try
cent away from my entry.
because that's the
I
order
was
I
on that.
had. No,
No,
I
'cause
don't
I
say
would've
that on
taken it,
entries.
though.
I don't
I
say that
would've
on
taken it,
entries.
though.
Continuing
I don't say that on
Put those orders
entries.
out
You're
and
in
you hit the
4,000
button.
level at
You said on take profits.
4,008.
Yeah,
Well, I
I
would've
put
taken
those
it.
orders
1
out.
cent
I
for my-
do. I
Down
do
around
drag them up.
0.5%.
But I just get annoyed because it's like, well, you couldn't go down 1 more cent. That's all I'm saying.
Hey, plug back at high day.
Yeah, I see that.
I know, Tim.
But that would be my luck if we had a bet where I bet you like $1,000 that it would hit
Yeah.
400 before
would-
420 and
it
it
would
would go to
bounce to the penny.
400.01. That's my point. Is like if we bet money on this, you'd be like, no, it didn't touch 400 yet.
I don't bet money though. I don't.
You bet
play
money
bets.
every day.
No, I trade. I don't do this gambling at all.
Betting is not gambling. You're betting on
Betting is
your
gambling.
No, what? No. You're taking the word
betting is
betting out of I don't want to say
Okay.
context. All right.
Bye,
You're-
guys. Love you.
When you bet, you're betting on something. So when you're trading, you're betting
I
on
get
the
you.
fact
I
that
get
your
what you're
system,
saying.
yeah,
I get what you're saying. I do.
good.
Doesn't
Because I was willing to
system too.
argue a little bit over that one. Yeah, but gambling,
I
yeah, but
know,
no, there's no edge in gambling.
I know exactly. Well, yes and no. Some people think that's
Some
an
people
edge.
say there is. No.
Oh, there's some people out there that claim to have an edge, and some of them actually proved that it's true. I know of a couple of sports bettors that you should see their operation. I've seen, like, they've done documentaries on them and stuff, and it's like, okay, I get it. Like, obviously, you found an edge, and it works for you, but the everyday average normal person is not going to be doing what they're doing.
Well, Dustin Hosswood figured it out.
Like right now, there's some guy that claims he has an edge in Baccarat, and he has proof, but nobody knows what the hell he's doing. And it's some like rapper dude that like when you look at him, you'd just be like, yeah, whatever, dude. You're a lying sack of shit. This is definitely touching 400. There's no way it doesn't. There's too much big money that sees all the stop losses just sitting there. they're like, come on, guys. You know where we're going with this. Plug, I'd want to see through 31 at this point. LQDA is still halted. A minute halt.
570 inbounds.
Yeah, mine's actually moving on that one. Now it says 67.
Yep.
LQDA.
Oh, that's an old school one. I think I remember that one moving back in the day. With the weakness in the SPY right now. Ugh.
Why did that even run up? LQDA. Wonder if it was because they thought everything was going to be on path, and now the judge is like, no, I'm good.
LQDA halted down.
Yep. It's on a 10-minute haul.
Dog, little dog.
Here it comes.
So did the whole family stay at the other house?
Dun, 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 dun,
What'd you say?
dun, 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 dun.
I said you're at the other house, right?
I'm at the mother-in-law's house.
Yeah, so the whole family stayed there.
Yeah. Our house is like a disaster right now, dude.
Oh, I'm sure.
There's plastic everywhere. Everything's covered. I'm like, we can't
Yeah,
live here.
everything's like half in the center of the room.
Yes, everything's in the middle of the room. I'm like, all right, we can't be here. I mean, we could if we had to be, but
Thinking
Rather
in
not be.
bets, good trading book. To your point, how you doing? What's up, Weldon? Doing fine. Just bored. There's nothing going on. Watching this LQDA, I can't really see myself trading it, but see.
why was she barking so much, dude?
Not really a big fan
What's the
of
problem?
trading longs,
Although
especially
it's
ones that are
disappearing
halting.
400, I know.
Yeah, you're tempted on it.
I shorted it twice on the way down. Just
Be on halting here in a couple seconds.
it's just a FOMO that you know if it breaks 400, like with a strong candle, it's gonna go more.
That's what I'm saying. Like, even if it were to make a big move up, it can only go
You
right now
watching
to
Drag?
627.
Big,
It's not even to the 9.
What is it?
big, BIG.
HPCO Hempico shares
Random.
opening for trade a few
I'm
minutes
not
ago.
thrilled with it, but it's moving in a
And
It's gonna mess with this.
$38. IPO priced at $6 a share for Hotel Papa Charlie Oscar HPCO,
was.
and then shares halted.
Oh man. This HPCO is another IPO that was supposed to open like way low and opened way high. It was supposed to open at $6 and it opened up at 38.
Here we go.
But it halted down and the imbalance is 16 and then the halt is at 34. Jesus.
Oops.
Oh man. NQ to build a range.
LQDA dollar.
Just have no
Usher.
interest in playing it. Things to calm down before I look for trades. I try to find trades when things aren't calm, but there really wasn't anything traded so far. Run maybe. I maybe could have traded that on this first move, not even the second one.
Eventually, that party's gonna
But-
come to an end.
I don't know. The IPO stuff, yeah.
And that's all just hype bullshit, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I figured NQ and NASDAQ, yeah. I'm just an idiot sometimes, takes me a second. Interactive Brokers sent me an email. Dear client, we noticed that a SPAC, which is Special Purpose Acquisition Companies, trade was done in your account. Please keep in mind that SPACs carry unique risks. What?
If you need to be warned of that, you probably shouldn't be trading.
back
META,
to
TechCrunch,
dread.
reporting that Facebook is shutting down its standalone gaming app in October. It's Mike
Ooh,
Echo
Facebook.
Tango Alpha META.
Boom.
There it went.
There it was.
Maybe it was they just needed Facebook to come out with some news that they're gonna stop gaming.
Stop gaming.
Yeah, they just said some news about how their standalone gaming app, they're getting rid of it in November.
Damn, Meta's all the way down to 158.
I had to laugh at that stupid meta meme going around.
Guys. Wow, you guys see this buy?
We did.
Yeah, we
welcome
should've
welcome to a minute ago.
That's it. That's one to revisit it.
I just wanted to rub it in a little.
Well, if
I
it's any
didn't say I didn't
consolation,
rub it in.
the futures 400 hasn't hit yet.
I don't care about the futures. I care about this buy.
Yeah, I don't care about the futures either.
Who do you think controls the SPY?
Clearly not the
Me,
futures, because
apparently.
SPY's under 400 and the futures aren't.
I think clearly it's me.
Any more dumb questions, Kalu?
All right, Lou.
Yeah, he said it over the weekend too.
Never heard that one in a minute.
He typed.
Yeah, I don't know
out
why
a
it
couple
came.
letters.
It came out over the weekend, and it was still fresh in my mind.
What were you watching BIG for? Maggie Jack?
I'm not
It's
anymore.
Jag.
I was hoping it would pop back up to the 23, like 90 area. And I was going to store it. That did not happen.
Holy cow, man.
I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, I just had a protein bar and then some nuts.
Yeah, I bet you had some nuts.
These
Yeah,
nuts.
These nuts.
Oh. Oh. I had those nuts.
Must be a contortionist.
He took out a couple ribs.
Oh.
Well, nothing looks interesting anymore. Oh, Spy's back over
What's
400.
Liquidity grab. Where it goes from here, I have no clue.
I figured it would have held down underneath there for a little bit at least.
As we do the next bet, does it see 390 or 410 first?
No.
This is a much harder bet. I really thought it was going to 400. I do not know where it's going now.
I don't see it going lower than 390.
I will say if we break down more than this, it's looking kind of grim. I really want that to be the low, to be honest. I wouldn't want to see much more. Because I think if it goes lower, I think we do see 390. And I don't want to see 390. I want it to bounce and go back up. To be honest. But literally, I think if we go below kind of where it just went, we do maybe see 390. Which would be disgusting, man. What's AMD doing? Straight down today. That would have been a good short.
Yeah, just a grind down.
Oh my god, this little dog is just barking in the living room. What is it doing?
That's what little dogs do.
Here, girl. Sasha. I think she's deaf, so I don't think she hears me.
Little dogs are annoying as shit.
No, I know. I'm not a fan. What are you doing, girl?
What this HPC is doing? It's been halted for a half hour now. Just noticed.
The imbalance is 1511.
Oh. Wonder if somebody got fucked.
I mean, there's bids on the level 2 for like $5.
Damn, FRGE, but we don't have shorts. Check it out, Jag.
Which one?
FRGE.
LQDA Liquidia shares resuming trade down 30%
No.
for the session Lima, Quebec, Delta, Alpha LQDA.
LQDA apparently opened back up.
Just dying.
FRGE, yeah, no shorts. That's one of those that I feel is a short. I would agree with you on this one totally. Look at that daily.
Because it's over 1 million?
Oh, it's over 1 million, and look at the daily. It's a downtrending piece of shit stock.
See, I disagree with that down there. I don't like them as much down here. I figure it's oversold right now.
You like them more at high a day?
Oh, yeah.
Like all-time highs? You don't like all-time highs either, though. So you're just like middle of the chart.
Yeah. I think I've gotten over that all-time high stuff back. It's been a while since I said that. So.
I mean, I personally understand that, but like when I see something run up like this real fast off of a downtrending chart, yeah, I think that's going to come back down. I don't think that's going up. I don't like middle of the chart stuff. Those are the ones that drive me the craziest. I kind of want to be gapping above a certain area or below a certain area, but not just in the middle. I mean, look at this dude. Get in over 5. You get a lot of money.
S&P 500 futures moving
Oh,
below
yeah.
the 4,000.
Not to say I wouldn't have
level.
shorted that damn thing,
Now
but
at
I wasn't in love with the daily.
39.97.
A lot of times, I haven't even been looking at the daily till I'm already in it.
Really? He was looking at the extension.
Yeah. It's like I'm in a and it's on a down halt now. Ooh, and
It doesn't
it's
even
at
get
zero.
You don't see that.
Oh man.
That's what we see every time. That's what...
I got no imbalance in that.
Plug's on doing that.
Plugs dying, runs dying.
Yeah, there's just no reason to be in there up there at the top.
Well, Spies
EMTN and
398.
WWE. Amazon teams up with WWE
Is it
to
really?
fight counterfeiters.
Holy crap. I'm calling 390 on the Spy, dude.
Alpha
I
Mike
swear, I
Zulu
see it going.
November and Whiskey
And that one I will say
Echo.
390-ish.
Ish. What's an ish? How much variance is there in an ish?
In the 390s.
Okay. Well, then
390, 80, 390, 70, 390, 50.
390. Okay.
Just below 391.
Okay.
It just kind of lost, like, a key moving average. Drop below the 50. That's not a good sign. Honestly, this is one I don't want to see happen. So I am hoping I am completely wrong and this bounce up above 400. You guys can laugh and mock if it does, and I will say thank God. Yeah, I really don't want this to fall way the hell down here, dude. Because honestly, if we go through there, dude, I think we're gonna make new lows. I really don't want to see that. I clearly trade better and the market's moving up. And that thing just went through it, like the whole dollar there, basically, in a few candles, huh?
Yep.
Bitcoin futures
Oof.
moving lower.
I wish I
on
shorted
some
big.
volume, moving below the $20,000
Shorted
level.
what?
Big.
Down around 1% this morning.
Oh, BIG.
I was right. It just didn't get to where I wanted it to go to.
Yeah, that one's a tough one, man.
It's just not, the volume's not there to make it worthwhile.
Yeah, that's a tough one. I wouldn't beat yourself up on that, dude. I know sometimes you see stuff that I don't see, but that one I don't think did what you wanted to do at all. Where do
No.
you want to get in? Over 80 or someone?
Yeah, around like 88.
Okay, I can see that. That I can see. I mean, I can see why you'd want to get in there. I don't think I would take that, but I can see why you would. Honestly, if it does 88 and it's extended from the 9, I like it more. Is that what you look for or no?
Yes.
Like, if that would have grinded up on the 9 to 88, I would totally not be interested in that trade. But extended, and then, yeah, sure.
Yeah, grind, no, but there needs to be some extension.
Yeah. Okay, I can see that. I'm with you on that. Well, guys, I think I kind of understand Jag's trading.
If you look at like around
Like Plug did the same thing, like where it went to over those highs, but it wasn't extended at all. So there's no reason to really enter it up there.
no.
I'll go. Bitcoin doesn't follow the SPY.
Bitcoin doesn't. No.
Bitcoin sometimes
just
goes
being
counter to the SPY even.
I was being, because usually that was the whole point. When the SPY drops, Bitcoin will
Bitcoin
survive.
goes up.
But
Yeah.
at the last 7 months or so, it's been quite the opposite.
Yeah, if the SPY dies, Bitcoin just dies more. Dude, I'm wondering where we're going with our world right now. Things are looking kind of grim. And I'm not even talking about the market. I've decided I'm going to take a. I'm not going to look at any social media.
FRGE Forge
I'm so
Global
sick of
Holdings
any of
shares
that shit.
resuming trade
It's such
and
a waste of
moving
time.
lower. Foxtrot, Romeo
Yes,
Golf
it is.
Echo FRGE.
Dude, such a waste of time. And I'm one of those people that like dive into like what people are saying in comments just because I'm curious. And that's like the worst thing to do.
It's not social media's fault you choose the wrong shit to look at.
Oh, I know. Well, I just saw an article saying Ozzy's moving back to England, and I was like, oh, huh, let me read about this. And he was talking about how he just thinks America's too dangerous or something, and all the people getting killed, blah 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 blah. And I was like, all right,
APRN.
APRN, no shorts, buddy.
Ah, fuck me.
Not that we don't have shorts. You wouldn't be in this yet. Would
Not
you?
yet, but damn.
I think maybe this would be where you should start it. Extended over that previous high. I think it's gonna come down. Jag's probably in it, so
I
hope it drops to 625 for you.
So do I.
I knew you were in it. This is like the other one. So, dude, I'm seeing your trades, bro. That's crazy. I think I figured out Jag's trading style. It has taken me this long. 628 maybe. Oh, I would take some out, but holy crap. Did I really just figure out your trading style, Jag?
Probably
This is
part of it.
crazy. I think I figured out one aspect of what you do.
I do.
As Jag says,
I just go back and forth.
It's
Sorry,
like I just
well,
do random shit.
I just get so bored.
There's
I
no
go
rhyme or
sideways
reason to
or
this
something.
madness.
Yeah, no, I agree. I remember some of the best times were when the market was going sideways. But when the market's doing this, it's hard to trade because you're basically just guessing what the market does or is gonna do.
Still in it?
Yep.
Full size?
Yeah.
Or full position?
Yeah.
Not full size.
No, I don't like this. This is boring as all can be.
I average a 640, so I mean, I'm not.
Here playing
Yeah, I'm not in trouble or anything, but
Oh.
for an ad, you'd probably like it to pop a little more than that.
Yep.
Kind of putting you in that weird position. Right at the daily, it could pull all the way back to 6-ish, but obviously it might not, so don't.
No, I'm not going.
Go for that.
That with a quick pop down, but I don't see that.
Man, plug has just tanked. What you got up, Timmy? Anything that I should be looking at?
Nope.
Ooh, the SPY is looking like she's gonna go lower. That little consolidation at bottoms is not what you want to see. Still on a jig?
Yep.
There you go,
Oh,
boy.
I'm out.
There you go. Dude, I see what you saw there. I see what you saw there. I like it. I don't disagree with you. I mean, it's more scalpy. You're not gonna. That's probably why you do more scalp them.
Yeah.
'Cause you're not gonna get like a huge move down on something like that normally. I mean, you might, but normally you're not.
I
But
prefer
it's
bigger moves than that, but with what we were potentially going to get today,
yeah, you would have preferred to see
TWTR,
these
some comments
candles
out from
make
Gordon
that move
Haskett
in a faster form.
saying
Yeah.
it took less than 1 week for Elon Musk to take his
I mean, I would
shiny
rather-
new
That would have looked a
whistleblower
lot
complaint
nicer if
out
that
for a
was 3
test drive.
candles
Something
there
to
instead of
watch
like 10.
for
yeah.
is whether
I mean, I would
Musk
love for that to
decides to
get up to
file a
7.
suit in federal court
but-
that alleges
Yeah,
fraud.
I
It would
think
represent an
happen.
escalation. It's Tango Whiskey, Tango Romeo. Some comments from
And you
Gordon
have potential
Haskett.
for a bigger pullback too, but
But that worked. That's what I get
I
out.
see it, man.
I got
I
12.
see it.
I mean, I would
That
love
is
12 cents. 12
that
cents.
is the first time I've ever looked at a trade and said, I see it." I'm normally really confused.
Now I was probably going to go to 6. But
NTNX did a similar setup
yeah,
earlier,
I was watching that.
where it kind of pulled back to that VWAP, had that big move up, and
Yeah.
was extended from the 9 above those highs and failed.
Yep. I wanted it to get to like over 1890.
That's it. I mean, that's something I can't trade yet, but on the way I could have traded this in a different way, but mine
Yeah.
would have been on the fail of 1875, which was the previous high. So I probably would have been somewhere there, risking off of 1885, which was the high, which that would have worked too, but that's how I normally trade those. Plug is going to go all the way back down to the bottoms.
Yep. Run already has.
That's it.
Yeah. Run's already
Yeah.
low. Run's already given it all.
Run has definitely stopped running. And I think the SPY is about to go to 395 or so. Dark days in the stock market. Nice, Jag, and you had some good patience on that one. You waited for the drop.
Trying.
Yeah, I liked it, man. I actually saw what you were looking at there. Holy crap, dude. I'm looking at my gainer list. It's not big. But I don't really know what to short. I mean, AMD, I feel like we've just kind of missed the boat on that one, huh?
Yep.
I can't take that down here.
Apple shares continuing lower as the
Sure,
market
go back
is
up.
selling off. S&P 500 down 1.4%. Crude down 4.5%. Bitcoin down 1.7%.
Ooh. Look at Apple today too. I mean, everything's gonna be following the SPY. I gotta get good at that. Like maybe start watching something like Apple or AMD on these big market sell-off days.
Yep.
I mean, those are opportunities that they might as well trade them if they're there.
APRN's doing pretty good with the fibs that I just drew.
Is it?
Yeah.
Now, I know you use fibs differently than I do sometimes. I don't see that as something I could draw fibs out of.
Yeah.
Well, I
I know
could
I could.
Definitely
then I just did.
pretty big move down.
I'll post one I drew.
No doubt
I'm sure
about
I could
that.
find somewhere. It's not one of those I look at and I'm like, yeah, I want to draw fibs out of that. Yeah. I mean, I guess you could draw them here, but I don't think I would draw that.
Well, the thing, the only reason I didn't have them up until just now. Put it up.
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
and blow through where I was. Where could it go to?
Yeah, I get it. You know I get the fibs. I just
So, what the next mark is?
on something like this, I would probably draw them down here. Let's see how this would look.
Really, I'd like to see 709, like just over 7 for the next time I would attempt to get in.
It's so weird that you have shorts on it and we don't.
Yeah, I know. Figure, right?
I don't know. Plug is just going straight down.
Yeah, so now that one went all the way to the bottom, where run went through it. Look at Oxy. Oxy.
Oh my god. The SPY was at 397 when I said 395's on the way. It's at a low of 396.38 already.
Yeah.
This is trash, man. This is gonna create a really hard market. Oxy, that's just kind of shitty looking. To be honest, right?
It is.
I mean, it's like I don't even see how I could trade it. I mean,
No.
that looks really, really ugly.
APRN's back over my high, over where I was, over highs, made a new high. But I want 7. If I got the 7,
I want 7.
I could make some decent money if it went to 7 right now.
Might get it, bro.
You know, it's tempting right here too, but it was basically right at my 123.6 fib is where it went to.
In the 123.6.
Like 6:30. Bank right now.
And me, Bish. Anything?
PARA, Paramount Global, shares down 4% for the session, seeing a little volume over the last few minutes, bouncing off the lows. Papa Alpha, Romeo Alpha, PARA.
What you doing, Tim?
I was about to say, don't tell me he's got fucking Tesla.
No, he's got the SPY up. I just haven't heard him in a while.
It's like when your kids get real quiet, you gotta go fucking check
LQDA
on
out
them.
all.
Yeah.
Small green.
Still watching your
Sitting here,
APRN. Huh?
bored as fuck.
You were bored as fuck.
Very.
Yeah. I don't blame you, man. I'm a little bored as well. Shut up!
PRN's going crazy.
Did you hear that dog?
No.
It's a little one, man. She's just barking and growling. I don't know what the hell her problem is. Fucking hey, dude. What am I supposed to be watching, guys?
I don't know. Is EVGO worth watching?
Not really.
No. It's-
I mean, if you want to.
And that needs to get up to 960s. I would think about it.
It's kind of like double top, high day plays, but on extensions for those for you, huh?
Yeah. With
Something, yeah, something to have to keep on watch.
HPCO is still halted. What the hell's going on with that? EDD's thing starting to go up a little bit. Not that I do anything with it, but
Crude futures popping here over the last few minutes. Seen some conflicting reports out of Russian state media. Russian state media TASS says potential OPEC plus output cuts not under discussion now, which would go against the headlines last week of Saudi Arabia on OPEC plus. HPCO, Hempico shares resuming trade. Were halted earlier. That's the IPO for today. Now at $13.51, IPO price
HPCO
at
open?
$6 and opening at $38
Who's
earlier.
their
That's
shirt?
Hotel Papa Charlie Oscar HPCO.
What are we looking at?
that HPCO it opened finally,
Oh,
but it's way down. I'm still watching APRN get over 7, but because I just don't like what it's doing now. And even over 7, if it's doing chops up like it's doing now, I will no want it.
man, I'm kind of bored.
Yeah. It's almost lunchtime.
Like literally, this is kind of a just really boring day.
HPCO, Hempico shares halted again.
Yeah. Anything up, Timmy?
He's listening to us.
Nope.
Oh, he is. Okay. Are you playing games on your phone?
I have been for like the last hour.
You wanted APRN, didn't you?
Oh yeah. Juicy one.
See what our boy Slap checks up.
I'm gonna guess that Tim was not very interested in APRN either.
What's his name has
He was
called
great.
for APRN.
Calls?
I'm thinking about going long full account HPCO when it opens.
Did it halt it again?
That's,
Yeah, I mean, what's the worst that can happen at this point?
yeah, I think that's a respectable move.
It's definitely not financial advice, though.
No. I wouldn't think that's financial advice. And the inbounds is right where it is. So
Well, yeah, because someone's trading
Yeah.
it. Can you imagine
And I can't.
it opened up and you're like, wow, this is another one. It's going to go to like 1,000. So you buy it and then it halts down immediately and then gaps halfway down from where it should have opened.
and you say goodbye account.
My account has been liquidated.
Is that what happens? That's
Hey,
your
moves,
account
you
has been liquidated.
Wouldn't that be funny? You know how it's like auto filled. Account
Your
liquidated.
Account liquidated. Damn it.
It's like the meme where it's like, your journal.
Hmm.
I've been liquidated again.
Account liquidated. I just want some fucking awesome trades, man. That's all I want.
You only have the one trade, right, Devin?
I think I had two, but traded plug. I traded PDD. And I traded MGAM.
Look at you, you're on fire.
Oh, dude, I am up a massive $21.40. So this day is pure fire, clearly.
You're fire. You can't get any more hot. You're hot.
I mean, I don't, dude, I could go get in and out for me and the wife today. Huh? Bitches. In and out for both of us. That's what I strive for. Just one meal in and out a day. It's my new goal.
Is that all you take? One in and out?
One in and out, baby. That's it. Then I'm full.
One punch chump.
One pump chump. I think that is all I would be able to take, yes. I don't know if I would take pride in being able to take more than one pump. That
One
means
pump.
you're experienced.
The first pump's the hardest.
It gets easier after the first one.
So I've heard.
Tell me more about how this works, DT.
Whoa, plug. I just
Is it
pulled it up
dropping
finally.
more?
I heard you guys talking about it. I didn't realize it went
Yeah.
down that far.
No, all the way down, bro.
HPCO's open, dude.
Oh, all right, let's do it.
Okay,
Oh, look at me. I'd be rich.
Gonna halt up.
I'd be rich. All right, it's time to take that one off my screen.
And it is halted. At 1568. Now the imbalance is 18.
Not like you were tempted to actually trade that, Tim.
HPCO,
No.
Hempico shares Resuming trade and halted again. Hotel Papa Charlie Oscar HPCO.
Is FUTU something you'd be interested in, Jag? Can y'all hear me?
What'd you
Yes,
say?
I can hear.
FUTU, Jag. Is that something you'd be interested in?
I'd like more extension on it. But yes.
I'm trying AMD.
Assume down.
Yeah. Total boredom trade, but not really. I mean, this keeps going. I mean, there's nothing going up, so.
Last week's were just a refill to cover the tank some more dip buying bulls before. So that was the spirit in some hedge funds a few weeks ago. All I know of two, but I project on all of them. Damn, you know the feeling when you get
Locked in a
distracted
little
because
bit
it's
just in
boring and then you
case,
check
man.
the
I'm
pan
not
and what
fully
you're waiting for
trusting
happen.
this.
It's a sense of missing a trade setup.
You guys have shorts on food too?
Yes, we do.
So what are you looking for that on that?
I'm looking for a shit ton of speed. I don't think we're ever going to get, but I was thinking it may just be in that area what you look for.
Yeah, I'd like a bit more. Yeah, that's got no speed.
Because all those candles look grindy.
Yes, they do. It's
I'd
extended.
like AMD to really get below 85, 90.
FUTU watching.
No.
Earnings.
This has the biggest range on the day and it only has 150,000 volume.
Flush it, flush it, flush it, flush it, flush it, flush it.
It is earnings on FUTU.
Oh crap. I covered it. Oops. I'm out.
Did you make anything?
I did. I made another $12. I didn't actually mean to do that. I clicked the button kind of by accident, so it is what it is. And I actually double clicked it, but luckily after I sold out of the position, my share position was
You can
zero.
go
So
to McDonald's,
did
or
not
I
make
can
me
go to
fall.
Wendy's and get the biggie bag for $4 with tax. Should be
PRN
right
looks
about
like
$4.80, right?
guess I'll post this incredible trade here.
Kind of wanted to just go to sleep. I'm not even tired.
Dude, I can now get me, the wife, and one kid some in and out. What? We're moving on up. Looks like a good sell at this point.
Futu's getting a little bit of speed here, Thomas.
Futu.
Yeah, I'd still like some more, but
That one isn't Jag yet.
no.
I feel like you'd want it over 48.25 or so, huh? 48.50 maybe?
Yeah. Have to be
That's where I'd want it.
over 25.
48.25.
Like 48
Yeah, I mean,
and or so would make it interesting.
but 48.20, 48.40 would be even better.
Yeah.
Shit. We wishing. I want 49.20.
Yeah, I think that too.
I want this to pop right now to $60.72. Is that possible?
I think it's possible.
It's not likely, but it's possible.
It's one of the few things going up like this. It's going up like everything else is going down. HKD just halted. Check that out.
Whoa, that's a good looking chart right there.
You can't go wrong with that. You can go either way with that. Was that even halted?
Him sounds like he's about to go bowling.
I can't. It'll open till 2.
It's late.
It's 3 when it's not summertime. I guess a lot of people don't really go bowling during the day.
Because here they open them up
FUTU
at
dollar.
Yeah, most people have jobs during the day.
work remotely. You get to go bowling.
Move to Vegas, you can bowl 24 hours a day.
Do a lot of things 24 hours a day in Vegas. Do you have a 24/7 auto parts store? We have one. I don't know who's working on their car at 3 and 4 in the morning, but
LOL we.
I actually lied. None of the bowling alleys appear to open up at and be open all night. And most of them open at 9 a.m. though.
I guess we should have got in food too.
Apparently.
Yeah, just couldn't do it. Now to go to low a day.
Yep.
Just like plug and run.
LNR. LNT asterisk.
Couldn't take
Nothing
it
like
there.
some D plus trades to get happy
Oh
about.
well. Of course, a dollar drop, right?
C plus.
Chill out, Sasha.
C at best.
I love how the little dog is more freaking growly and barky than my big dog.
They're always that way, dude.
She's over there. What are you doing?
ID take an F if it was green.
Hey. Got another stab at AMD. This is my last stab at AMD.
Reminder, obey all chat rules, be respectful,
I had
no
to.
foul or offensive
Yeah.
language, post useful messages, no spam or distracting posts, use lounge
That
for
was
general
actually pretty
discussion.
good.
NAT, Nordic American Tankers,
Shut up.
says board member Hansen increases his holdings of NAT shares. Chairman and CEO today bought 175,000 shares at $2.36.65 a share. November Alpha Tango NAT.
We're back with the sound. I want to listen to something.
Dollar.
Order cancelled.
Watching OCX. Tried to get filled at 107. I didn't get filled.
Yeah. I actually have shorts on that. Go figure.
You would have right there.
No, well, I don't want it right there anymore. It already tested $1. Orders at 114 now. Guess I should have left it at 107, huh?
I took the paper
Order
cut
cancelled.
on AMD. I'm not gonna fuck with that anymore.
You went back in it?
Yeah. Just trying to find a trade, dude.
Yeah.
So why wouldn't you use the DC load button?
Dollar
that
on
one?
way.
Because I just did the math in my head.
Did you get an OCX?
No, I moved my order up and then it didn't go up there. Missed it twice.
Gotcha. Yeah, that was a big move up, I guess. I mean, considering the price of the stock.
Missed twice trying to get a better fill with the spread.
20 cents on a freaking 88-cent stock.
Yeah, I hit the DC load button. I would have been in 2,000 shares.
Would you?
Yeah, but I mean, 2,000 shares, 10 cents, that's $200. That's really not that much looking at the overall move.
No, but it's not a bad win, though.
Oh, no, not at all.
According to the painters, they are going to be done with my entire house today.
Even better.
I guess there's like a ton of people there. My wifey just went over and said they have a ton of people today. Yesterday they had literally one guy for half the day and two for the other half. But I guess today they have like, I don't know what she say, 6 or 7 cars outside.
Yeah, they were probably finishing up another job and then sent them all over there to wipe that one out.
Yeah, I think that's what they did.
They didn't realize it was going to be at the house. We could go crazy.
That's exactly what they do.
There's 7 cars there, she said. So, I mean, if there's 7 cars, that's at least probably 10 people.
Yeah.
They're
I'll
probably
finish
going to
that
whack
other
that
job
out
and send
quick.
everybody over there.
If they're
Yeah,
Mexican,
knock this one out.
That's
All right,
exactly
I'm getting out of here. I need to take a break and
Yeah, you
it's
get
just
10
boring.
people in there, they can probably knock out my house in one day.
I will
They did all the ceilings
be
already.
back
so all
tomorrow
they gotta do
morning.
is
Until then,
have
see
one
ya.
guy go
Peace.
through
Bye.
doing all the
Well,
oh shit,
too many
my brain.
people that get in their way. But
Well, I mean, I think what you do is you have one group doing the baseboards and doors. The next group comes behind them, to do walls and kind of just work through the house.